to make Instagram Reels go viral using audio trick. So you can use the adjust audio trick to make your Instagram Reels go viral by syncing your video's most impactful visual to the audio's proper beat. This maximizes watch time and keep viewers engaged, which are key signals the algorithm uses to push content to more users. Now what you can do is open your Instagram app. Then go to the Reels tab at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now look for the upward pointing arrow next to the track title while scrolling through your Reels. Then tap the music icon in the Reels editor to select the trending audio. Now select the audio and then tap use audio. Now select your videos or pictures from your gallery, or you can just simply tap on the camera to create a new reel. Now tap next. Now tap on the audio icon, the music icon at the bottom left corner. Now the audio which you have selected before will just pop up on the first. Just tap on it, then tap use audio one more time. Now simply drag the marker exactly to the beat drop or most catchy part of the song. Now align your fast cuts, visual changes, or the moment you reveal information with that exact musical cue. Then tap done at the top right corner. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.